Malicious cybercriminals always find means to issue fake advertisement. The fake internet ads are created using JavaScript. The browser runs and executes this at no cost and displays these ads on the thousands of compromised web browser known as browser botnet network. They leave no trace on exit or a close of browser. The only way to find the browser botnet is through carefully examination of browser extension. The browser botnet network is created using fake browser extension or plugin. The browser bot is capable to launch denial of services attack, clickjack attack, hijack a system, or do a cross-site request forgery or a cross-site scripting attack, inject tons of malicious ad, viruses, worms, Trojan, and even are capable of bypassing proxies.